Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will tell you about how to drop multiple Google Maps pins. Step 1. Open Google My Apps and then follow these directions to create a custom map. Step 2. Type a location into the search bar above the map. As you type, you can choose the correct location from the drop-down list. Step 3. Once you select a location, it will drop your first pin onto your custom map. Select Add to Map. Step 4. Another method to drop a pin on your map is to select the location icon under the search field. This will change your cursor to crosshairs. Select any location on the map and a new plan will appear there. Step 5. Give this location a title and then select Save to store your new pin on the map. Step 6. A third method to drop new pins is to select an existing location on the map. This will open a window with the location details. Select Add to Map to pin this as another location in your itinerary. Step 7. To record your itinerary list, select a location from the list on the left and drag it up or down.